If your team is still manually chopping long videos into tiny clips in 2026, you are definitely falling behind the curve. The secret weapon isn't hiring more expensive editors, but using Vizard to turn long-form footage into scroll-stopping shorts automatically. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build a highly productive, attention-grabbing short-form content pipeline using Vizard. I have tested a massive amount of tools that claim to auto-cut videos, but most are either painfully limited or just overpriced services. Vizard, hands down, is the one platform that actually makes the entire process fast, scalable, and genuinely repeatable for any creator. Let me show you the real numbers we saw at our agency so you can see that this method works effectively in the wild. We took 4 long interviews and, using Vizard, generated 45 ready-to-post clips in just one single week of work. Before this system, that amount of content would have taken a whole month of intense editing and thousands of dollars in costs. With Vizard, our output jumped 6 times, engagement doubled, and our follower growth went from a trickle to consistent daily gains. The main point is that more clips mean more distribution, more room for experiments, and significantly faster learning for your brand. Alright, let us jump right into the setup so you can follow along and build this exact same high-efficiency system today. First, log into Vizard and create a new project which will act as your central campaign hub for your content. I like to create a specific folder for each client or show so that all the assets and scheduling rules stay perfectly tidy. Now upload your long video, whether it is a 45-minute podcast, a webinar, or a batch of raw talking head recordings. Vizard handles these large files with ease, so you do not need to pre-trim anything before you hit the upload button. Once the file is in, the magic starts as Vizard's engine analyzes the entire video to find the most engaging moments. It detects audience interest spikes, pulls out high-energy sentences, and identifies the perfect natural edit points for your clips. The software also auto-generates subtitles and suggests multiple aspect ratios for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. That means you only need one upload to create multiple native formats, saving you from any extra manual recropping work. I usually pick the viral clips preset first because it prioritizes short, emotional hooks and strong viewer retention signals. If you want longer highlights, choose the deep dive style to keep contextual sentences so the clip does not lose its meaning. You can even run both styles simultaneously and compare performance to see which one resonates better with your specific audience. Once the clips are created, jump into the preview mode to make small, high-leverage edits like trimming the intro by half a second. Vizard includes a built-in editor so you can adjust trims, change caption styles, or reorder clips faster than in traditional software. Do not skip the captions, because Vizard's auto captions are incredibly accurate and really help increase retention on silent platforms. You can stylize these captions with different fonts or highlight keywords to make the most important parts of your video pop. Thumbnails and cover frames are also baked into the process to help you get more clicks without needing extra design software. Now for the scheduling, which is where Vizard really scales the workflow by automating the posting process across your social accounts. Simply set your frequency and the auto schedule feature will queue and publish your content during the best windows for your audience. The content calendar shows everything visually, allowing you to drag and drop posts if you want to shuffle them around quickly. I absolutely love the bulk edit features, which allow you to swap a thumbnail or update captions across 20 clips at once. Once your clips go live, Vizard provides performance metrics so you can see exactly which timestamps drove the most replays. Use those retention signals to refine your future extraction rules and bias the next batch toward those high-performing highlights. One practical tip is to start with your absolute best long-form assets, like a high-energy podcast or a webinar with audience questions. Do not be afraid to run the same file through several presets to get different flavors, like emotional testimonials versus technical takeaways. If you spot a line in the transcript that could be a killer hook, create a dedicated short clip around it and add a bold overlay. Keep your branding subtle. because if every single clip screams that it is an advertisement, viewers will mentally tune out. Let us talk about competitors for a second. Many auto clip tools suffer from poor captioning, limited detection, or lack of publishing tools. Vizard sits right in the middle, offering powerful AI detection, robust captioning, and an integrated scheduler so you do not pay for extra tools. The end result of this pipeline is lower costs, much faster content output, and the ability to run more experiments every single week. Another huge advantage is the multi-format export, where you can get the same clip in multiple aspect ratios with just one click. For example, a nutrition brand we worked with turned 1 hour of Q&A into 28 unique clips, which massively boosted their daily views. Another company converted their long product webinars into dozens of short tutorials, which significantly dropped their customer support tickets. If you want your clips to feel more human, add some light music, quick jump cuts, or use Vizard's templates to make it look professional. My recommended workflow is to batch record, batch upload, use the viral clips preset, and then set your auto schedule for the next few weeks. Play with the clip length bias settings to see if your specific audience prefers bite-sized 10-second clips or longer highlights. When people ask if AI clips look robotic, the secret is mixing testimonial bites, funny outtakes, and educational snippets to signal authenticity. Cost-wise, Vizard is a game changer for teams because it replaces expensive freelance editors with a fraction of the cost. Once you find a winning template and a consistent posting cadence, simply clone the project and let the AI pipeline do the heavy lifting. If you are still outsourcing every single edit, you are leaving views and valuable opportunities to grow your channel on the table. Check the link in the description to sign up for Vizard today, upload one video, and see how quickly your content library stacks up. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more workflows, and let the AI do the work so you can create more content.